Hello everyone, and welcome to our next English learning episode for beginners.
Hi everyone! Today we will practice simple English for travel and daily situations.
This episode is still for A1 learners, so we will use short words and clear sentences.
Yes, we will speak slowly, repeat important ideas, and give many easy examples.
By the end of this episode, you will know useful English for asking directions, traveling, and asking for help.
That is right, and you can use these sentences in real life right away.
You do not need to be perfect, you just need to listen, repeat, and practice.
Small practice every day is much better than one big lesson once in a while.
Let us begin with one very important idea. English for travel should be simple and direct.
Yes, simple English is often the best English when you are in a new place.
First, let us learn some useful travel words.
Some important words are airport, station, hotel, bus, train, taxi, ticket, and map.
These words help you move from one place to another.
You can hear them at the airport, in a city, or when you ask for help.
Let us repeat the words slowly.
Airport, station, hotel, bus, train, taxi, ticket, map.
Very good. Now try to say them again by yourself.
Airport, station, hotel, bus, train, taxi, ticket, map.
Excellent. These words are small, but they are very useful.
Yes, and they are easy to remember when you practice them in a short list.
Now let us practice greetings when you arrive somewhere.
The easiest greeting is hello.
You can also say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
If you meet a hotel worker, a driver, or a shop worker, hello is always safe and polite.
Let us practice a short arrival conversation.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is a very short but useful conversation.
Yes, and it sounds friendly and natural. Next, let us ask for directions.
The common question is, where is the hotel?
You can also ask, where is the bus station?
Another useful question is, how do I get to the airport?
These questions are simple, clear, and very practical.
Let us repeat them slowly.
Where is the hotel?
Where is the bus station?
How do I get to the airport?
Very good. These questions can help you in a new city.
Yes, and you do not need long sentences to ask for help. Now let us learn some direction words.
Useful direction words are left, right, straight, near, far, next to, and behind.
You can use these words when someone gives you directions.
For example, go straight, turn left, or turn right.
Let us repeat them.
Left, right, straight, near, far, next to, behind.
Good. Now let us use them in a simple answer.
The hotel is near the station.
The bank is next to the shop.
The park is behind the school.
Excellent. These short sentences help you understand a city map.
Yes, and they are easy to copy and practice.
Let us do a small directions conversation.
Excuse me, where is the hotel?
The hotel is straight ahead.
Is it far?
No, it is not far.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
That is a very useful travel conversation.
Yes, and you can change the place name to match your own city. Now let us talk about buying a ticket.
You can say, I want a ticket, please.
You can also ask, how much is the ticket?
Another useful sentence is, one ticket to the city center, please.
These are very practical sentences for buses and trains.
Let us repeat them.
I want a ticket, please.
How much is the ticket?
One ticket to the city center, please.
Great. These short sentences are easy to remember.
Yes, and they can help you avoid confusion. Let us practice a ticket conversation now.
Hello, one ticket to the station, please.
Sure. It is $2.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Your bus is on the left.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This is a short and realistic conversation.
Yes, and it uses very easy English words. Now let us talk about the hotel.
A hotel is where people stay when they travel.
Useful hotel words are room, key, bed, bathroom, towel, and breakfast.
You can ask, "Where is my room?"
You can also say, I have a reservation.
Another useful question is, "What time is breakfast?"
Let us repeat the words.
Room, key, bed, bathroom, towel, breakfast.
Good. Now let us make one simple hotel sentence.
I have a room on the second floor.
Very nice. Another one is, breakfast is at 7 o'clock.
That is clear and useful.
Let us practice at the hotel front desk.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Here is your key.
Thank you.
Your room is number 204.
Great, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This is a very common hotel conversation.
Yes, and it is useful for many travelers. Now let us learn food words for restaurants and cafes.
Some common food words are rice, bread, soup, chicken, fish, salad, and noodles.
Some common drink words are water, tea, coffee, milk, and juice.
You can say, "I want tea, please."
You can also say, I would like water, please.
For beginners, short and polite is best.
Let us repeat a few words.
Rice, bread, soup, chicken, fish, salad, noodles.
Water, tea, coffee, milk, juice.
Excellent. These are common words in many places.
Yes, and you can use them in restaurants, hotels, and shops. Let us practice ordering food.
Hello, I want rice and chicken, please.
Sure. Do you want water too?
Yes, please.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is a simple restaurant conversation.
Yes, and it sounds natural for a one-learners. Now let us learn some shopping words for travel.
Useful shopping words are buy, price, cheap, expensive, money, and change.
You can ask, how much is this?
You can also say, "I want this one, please."
If you need help, you can say, do you have this in another size?
That is a useful sentence for clothes and souvenirs.
Let us repeat the words.
Buy, price, cheap, expensive, money, change.
Good. Now let us make a simple shopping sentence.
This shirt is very cheap.
Or this bag is expensive.
These are easy sentences to use in a market.
Let us practice at a small shop.
Hello, how much is this bag?
It is $10.
Okay, I want this bag, please.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is short, polite, and practical.
Yes, and you can practice it with a friend. Now let us talk about asking for help.
Very useful phrases are "excuse me," "help me," "please," and "I do not understand."
You can also say, can you help me?
Another useful sentence is, "Please speak slowly."
These phrases are important when you are tired or confused.
Let us repeat them slowly.
Excuse me.
Can you help me?
Please speak slowly.
I do not understand.
Very good. These phrases can save you in real life.
Yes, and they are easy to remember because they are short.
Let us practice a help conversation.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the station.
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is a very helpful conversation.
Yes, and it uses simple direction words too. Now let us talk about time during travel.
Important time words are morning, afternoon, evening, today, tomorrow, and now.
You can say, the bus leaves at 9 o'clock.
You can also say, "My train is at 10:30.
These sentences are very useful for schedules.
Let us repeat the time words.
Morning, afternoon, evening, today, tomorrow, now.
Good. Now one travel sentence.
My bus leaves at 8 o'clock.
My train is tomorrow morning.
Very good. Time words help you stay organized.
Yes, and they are very common in daily English.
Now let us talk about the airport.
At the airport, you may hear words like check-in, gate, passport, luggage, and boarding.
For A1 learners, the most important thing is to stay calm and speak slowly.
You can ask, where is the gate?
You can also say, where is check-in?
Let us repeat the words.
Gate, passport, luggage, boarding, check-in.
Excellent. These are useful travel words.
Yes, and they can help you move through the airport more easily. Let us practice a short airport conversation.
Excuse me, where is check-in?
Check-in is over there.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Is the gate far?
No, it is near.
Great. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
That is a very short airport conversation.
Yes, and it is easy to practice before a trip. Now let us learn about phone calls and messages.
Useful phrases are hello, this is Emma, can you hear me, and please call me back.
You can also say, I am at the hotel or I am on the bus.
These sentences can help if you need to contact a friend or family member.
Let us repeat them.
This is Emma.
Can you hear me?
Please call me back.
I am at the hotel.
Good. These are small but useful communication sentences.
Yes, they help you stay connected while traveling. Now let us talk about common questions in a city.
Important question words are what, where, when, who, why, and how.
For A1 learners, what, where, and how are the easiest to use.
What asks about a thing, where asks about a place, and how asks about a way.
For example, what is this, where is the station, and how do I get there?
These are common questions in travel English.
Let us practice them slowly.
What is this?
Where is the station?
How do I get there?
Great. These questions are small but very useful.
Yes, and they appear in many daily situations.
Let us add one more speaking challenge.
We will make short travel sentences using the words we learned today.
Sentence 1. I am at the hotel.
Sentence 2. I want a ticket, please.
Sentence 3. The station is near the shop.
Sentence 4. I need help.
Sentence 5. Please speak slowly.
Sentence 6. My bus leaves at 9 o'clock.
These sentences are small, but they are strong building blocks for speaking.
Yes, when you build many small sentences, your speaking power grows little by little.
Let us do a quick repeat after me section.
I am at the hotel.
I want a ticket, please.
The station is near the shop.
I need help.
Please speak slowly.
My bus leaves at 9 o'clock.
Very good. Repeating short sentences is one of the best ways to improve.
And you can repeat them many times until they feel easy. Now let us practice a longer conversation from start to finish.
Hello, excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
I am looking for the hotel.
Go straight and turn right.
Is it far?
No, it is not far.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
At the hotel, I want a room, please.
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Here is your key.
Thank you.
Later, at a cafe, I want tea and rice, please.
That is a very good order.
At the station, I need a ticket to the city center.
That is clear and polite.
This conversation uses many of the words we learned today.
Yes, and it shows how simple English can be very powerful.
Now let us talk about learning habits for travel English.
A good habit is to learn a few useful words every day.
You can learn 5 words, 3 sentences, or 1 short conversation each day.
You can also listen to English audio and repeat what you hear.
Reading simple text is helpful too, because your eyes learn the structure of English.
Writing small sentences is another good habit because it makes your memory stronger.
So the 4 skills are speaking, listening, reading, and writing.
Yes, and all 4 skills help each other.
You do not need to study all day. 10 or 15 minutes is already useful.
The key is to be consistent and not give up too quickly.
If you miss one day, just start again the next day.
That is a healthy learning habit, and it keeps your motivation alive.
Now let us do a quick review of what we learned today.
We learned words for airport, station, hotel, ticket, map, and taxi.
We learned questions like where is the hotel and how do I get there?
We practiced directions, ticket buying, hotel check-in, restaurant orders, and asking for help.
We also learned how to speak slowly and politely in a new place.
That is a lot of useful A1 language in one episode.
Remember, you do not need to memorize everything at once.
Choose a few sentences, repeat them, and use them in your own life.
If you do that every day, your English will grow naturally.
Small steps are powerful steps for beginners.
You can always come back to this episode and listen again.
Each time you listen, you will understand more and feel more confident.
Before we close, let us give you one final practice conversation.
Hello. Excuse me, where is the station?
The station is straight ahead.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I want one ticket to the city center, please.
Sure, it is $2.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
At the hotel, I have a reservation.
Great. Here is your key.
Thank you very much.
At the cafe, I want tea and rice, please.
Of course. Here you are.
That is wonderful. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this episode helps you travel with more confidence.
Remember, A1 English is about simple words, clear sentences, and steady practice.
You are doing great and every little practice counts.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.